down there tickets.
Hey Mary, you should soup up your lawnmower for this competition. You could do well.
Well, I've already found my favorite, the number 25.
I thought you had a drivable John Deere. It doesn't work? What's wrong with it?
Heat race number 2 underway. Get a little conversation up here for the watch thing that I just encountered. Doesn't matter those races. Look at him go! So look at the man in last place out there. Got the number 25 machine. He got the half track done. He's easily taken off of that machine. That John Deere hanging just fine right there. But out front, it's the 777. Boy, get that left front wheel clear off the ground. That right wheel looked like it was about to buckle and fall underneath it as the number 8 car goes around the outside to take over the number 2 putting that 6 in the air. That's the only thing on the way to first. So definitely get the swap in the position on here. Hoping that the main over the driver. Again, the 777 little backfire. Little still backfire on that rig. He takes the second flight. Here's in the air. The cable man hands off to another 2 down. Grab the duck line. On the John Deere takes third. Don't leave me hanging, guys. Let him hear you. And as we said, we'll have a main event for these drivers a little bit later on. Now, I